Hello, this is KP Singh from Gurgaon. I wanted to share with you today my experience in management of diabetes. Actually, I never knew that I am diabetic till the year 2007 or 2008. It just so happened that I went for a sugar checkup and my sugar was that was postprandial sugar was 350 plus. The doctor at the clinic advised me to get admitted to hospital immediately, and I didn't take it seriously. I still went to my office for work, and then in the evening, the doctor asked me whether I've been to the hospital. I told him no. He said, then you may go into a coma. So then I got worried and I then got admitted to a hospital. I think it was Apollo Hospital. They immediately took me to emergency and they put me on insulin, intravenous injections and or I don't know what. But after that, for last 10 years, I've been following allopathic medical treatment. It has kept my diabetes under control, but level of medication went on increasing year by year till 2023 when I happened to meet Mr. Kiran Sinha on a social event. He is running a philanthropic organization called Wellness Club and Lifestyle Changes. So I joined. He's told me that diabetes can be reversed and it requires no medication. So then I joined this group, and last 2 years I've been following his advice, which is basically diet control and exercises. So this has been a very nice journey, and I joined this organization in somewhere in middle of 2023, and by end of 2023, with my doctor's consent, I started reducing the medication, and by July 2024, I had left all medication and I was managing my diabetes purely from management of diabetes as advised by this group. I must say that during last 10 or 12 years of my experience with medication, I never understood what is diabetes. And for the first time, I came to know that it is not the sugar level, it is something else. Sugar level is only a messenger, but the real cause of diabetes is developing insulin resistance. So I came to know for the first time in 2023 that there are things like called fasting insulin and HOMA-IR. These two factors are predominantly controlling the disease. Now, my fasting insulin when I began this journey was about 11, and HOMA-IR was 2.65. Normal range for fasting insulin is 4 to 6, and for HOMA-IR is something like 0.5 to 2. So both were out of range, and that is why the diabetes was there. Now, after 2 years, now my HOMA-IR is in the normal range, and so is the fasting insulin, which is about 5. And my HB1AC has remained below 7 all these years. So now this is a new experience and new knowledge that came to me, which was never shared by from any quarters as to why it is there and how to manage it. So I am now managing with lifestyle changes and dietary control, and I am without medication. And as a result, my other illnesses like high blood pressure and cholesterol are also relatively under control, and I've been able to reduce medication there also. So I feel I owe it to society, I owe it to people to share this video in order to manage their diabetes, and I wish them all the luck and success in this. But it is one only thing of caution. It is a continuous process. It is not that you are cured and then you can eat mithais and everything. It is just life for the whole life. You have to lead a very different life. Means with control over diet and control over your eating habits. And actually, Mr. Sinha is is following 18 hours of intermittent fasting. I am following 16 hours. But so it requires intermittent fasting, means no eating except water, not even tea, and also it requires eating food habits have to change. And there's a concept of layered eating, means that you eat something first and something after that and something after that, which comes through the advice of this group. And you have to follow it long time. So once you don't follow, perhaps it will come back.